We're in the Canary Islands, going into dry dock. Massive thing. We're getting dragged by a tugboat. Probably can't see this very well, but there are two tugboats that will move us away from the dock and bring us into dry dock, which is pretty cool. Now there's three of them. Two more there. They're yelling stuff at us. We're getting freaking tugboated in Spain. How cool is that? Boom. Where will they bring us? Look at that shit.
A ver, León, que le preparen un cabo ahí al Quijote del otro de la proa. Ahí por el tribún. Para nosotros poder largar y nos vamos a quedar empujando.
Yeah.
Sí, por ahí, por esa vista.
That's a spot right there. Look at that tugboat struggling.
Casey comes Casey.
Boom. Slow and steady. All of them lifting us. You could see the bottom. Ship out of water. Boom.
Man, we're actually higher.
That is one sexy bitch.
Oh, look how close our passport is to the ocean pro. Yeah, look at our
Some people think supermodels are hot.
It's okay.
Sorlandet out of water. Who would have thought? Sorlandet Christian Simon. This is so cool. Look at the porthole, and what do you see? Some random yellow trucks pulling in a ship. Pretty quickly, actually.